Spectrum provides two primary methods for accessing your Wi-Fi 7 router settings. Understanding both options will help you choose the best approach for managing your network. The first method uses the My Spectrum app, which is the recommended and most user-friendly approach. The second method involves accessing settings through a web browser using your router's IP address. Let's start with the My Spectrum app method. This is Spectrum's preferred way to manage your router settings because of its intuitive interface and comprehensive features. To use the My Spectrum app, first download it from your device's app store. Then log in using your existing Spectrum account credentials. Once logged in, you can easily access and modify your network settings. The app provides access to essential settings including your Wi-Fi network name, password, connected devices, guest network configuration, and parental controls. The interface is designed to be intuitive and user-friendly. Now let's explore the alternative web browser method. This approach gives you direct access to your router's administrative interface. For web browser access, start by opening any web browser and entering your router's IP address, typically http://192.168.0.1 in the address bar. You'll need login credentials, which can be found on a label on your router itself. Look for the username and password information, though default credentials are often admin for both username and password. Once you enter the correct credentials, you'll access the router's web interface where you can configure various network settings. The web interface provides comprehensive access to router settings. You can configure the same basic settings as the app, plus additional advanced options like port forwarding and DNS server configuration. Both methods provide access to essential router settings, but the My Spectrum app is recommended for most users due to its simplified interface and mobile convenience. Whether you choose the mobile app or web browser method, you now have the knowledge to access and manage your Spectrum Wi-Fi 7 router settings effectively. Once you have access to your Spectrum Wi-Fi 7 router settings, the first priority is customizing your network for security. Your Wi-Fi network name, called the SSID, and password should be changed from the default settings to protect your network. The My Spectrum app provides an intuitive interface for managing your network. You can view all connected devices, monitor their activity, and ensure only authorized devices have access to your network. Setting up a guest network is essential for maintaining security while providing internet access to visitors. This separate network keeps your main devices isolated from guest devices. For gamers, port forwarding can significantly improve gaming performance by allowing direct connections to gaming servers. The router settings provide easy configuration for popular gaming platforms. Spectrum's advanced Wi-Fi includes Security Shield, a cloud-based security feature that protects all your connected devices from online threats at no additional cost. This provides comprehensive network protection. Spectrum's Wi-Fi 7 routers deliver exceptional performance with speeds up to 4 times faster than Wi-Fi 6. These routers can support over 250 connected devices simultaneously, making them perfect for modern smart homes.